Yes, today overall I'm again impressed and thrilled by the openness from everyone, because the title was Communication with Increased Awareness, and you could keep it very superficial. The third question I answer as first, what could be the outcome of the group, and if everyone, it's not what I see as an outcome, if everyone in the group sees the benefit, I see the need and the motivation. In our journey, our team in Karachi makes Pakistan, Karachi, a great place to work. This is the overall vision. And under this vision, the awareness for how we can relate, approach, communicate, maybe with each other better, with this increased awareness from today's session, I think we have done a good step. When I think about what we learned about brain style, great, but this is the first layer. So if the energy is really there, that's why I touched on talents or how your brain is wired. The talents in your brain goes much deeper. So it's not only about a refresher and reflection in an hour, in a month for an hour. We can even discuss, Hila, myself, with you, Adam, and based on the wish of the team, to take the next layer, which goes much deeper on individual level and team level. But we have to think about, we have to see that we are practicing and having a higher awareness. And I'm really happy about, as I said, the openness. And the day was flying. And I think the benefit is already that we blocked a full day just talking to each other. While not functioning what we did at the beginning of the day, we are in that environment, just organized, digital, delivering on our function level. And for me, this is what we say we need to invest in. This why I give with your facilitation the environment as an investment for the skills. But for me, it's a starting point. And if the energy is there from the team, I call it one team. It's Taha is not here, but I see it one team from an administrative and business team. If this training and your facilitation gives us let's say progress, I'm willing to discuss with you next steps as a team. Good, but thank you very much for the contribution. And I learned a lot, again, in every session. Even I had some similar program before. I learned a lot about my shadow side and my light side again. And yes,